Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this crypto dad. So in today's video I'll be showing us how to claim the RichToken on trustwallet. So I'll be showing us how to claim the 50 words of this token on trustwallet, and I'll also be showing us how to swap this particular token after claiming. The RichToken has been listed on CoinMarketCap and it has also been listed on trustwallet. So I'll be showing us how to claim the airdrop. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, so what you just need to do is you have to click on the subscription button, and you also need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So to claim this airdrop, so I'll be dropping the link in this video description. So you just need to make use of the link. So you need to click on this link. So you just need to go over to download the app. So after you've downloaded the app, so you need to open the app. So after you've opened the app, so you need to play the game. So the game is just like chess game. So it's just like chess game, and you need to spend 1 hour of your time to play the game. So when you spend 1 hour of your time, so you'll be getting up to 50 words of the token, which you can instantly sell immediately. So I've also dropped the contract address in my channel, so you can just come over to my channel to get the contract address. So I'll be taking us through on how to claim the airdrop. So after you've downloaded the app, so you just need to click on login. So you need to log in to earn the RichToken. So what you'll be doing here is you'll be merging cars with the same numbers together. So you just have to merge cars with the same numbers together. And if you're not seeing cars with the same numbers, so you just have to click on this. So when you click on that, so you'll be generating new cars. So I'll be clicking on that again to generate another car. So I'll merge these cars together right now. So I'll just merge it together. So I have to take it to the other. So I've merged it. So I'll be merging the 23 with 23. So I've successfully merged this. So I'll merge 24 with 24. I'll also be claiming a daily reward of $9. So I'll be claiming a daily reward of 261 words of the RichToken. To increase your car speed, so you have to click on the nitro. So when you click on that, so you'll be using 5 diamond to increase your speed. So you just need to click on the 5. So you have to click on that. And also when you make an invite, 60 minutes will be added to your speed. So you just have to click on that. So 5 minutes has been added. So 5 minutes acceleration has been added. So I'll just be going back. So I'll be merging a car again. So I'll be merging the 23 with the 23. So I just unlocked this car. So I'll be giving 10 words of the diamond, and I need to click on the claim. So I'll just click on the claim. My diamond has been added, so I'm having 45 diamond right now. To check the amount of RichToken you receive, so you just have to come over to the washing club. So we need to click on that. So I just received the 5 words of the RichToken. So I just need to click on it. So I need to click on it. So I need to click on the claim. So 5 RichToken has been added to my balance. And for you to be able to reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 50 RichToken, so what you just need to do is you have to play the game till you get to the level 26. So when you get to level 26, so you'll be able to make withdrawal. I'll be going over to the wallet, so I'll just click on the wallet. So for you to be able to make withdrawal, so we need to create a new wallet. So you just need to come over to the wallet. So after you've created the wallet, so you'll be given a particular address. So that's the address you'll be using to make transaction. So and also to make transfer, so you just have to come over to click on the transfer. So to make withdrawal, you just have to select the amount you want to withdraw. So I selected the 50 words of the token, and which is presently $1.7. So I made a withdrawal of this. For you to also make a withdrawal of 300 words of the token, so you just have to select the 300, then you need to click on the withdraw button. So after you've selected the amount you want to withdraw, so the amount will be sent to your wallet. So you have to go over to your wallet to confirm. So after the transaction has been made, so you just need to click on the transfer button. Then you need to paste in the receiver address. You also need to enter the amount. So you need to change the coin. So you need to select the RichToken. So and after that, you just need to paste in the address. Then you need to enter the amount. So and after that, you need to click on the confirm button. To get your referral link, so you have to come over to the invitation. So when you come over there, so you'll be seeing your referral link. So you just need to copy the link, then you need to share to your friends. So for every invite you make, so you'll be getting a reward of the RichToken. So I'll be showing us now to add the RichToken to our Trust Wallet. So I'll be going over to Trust Wallet. So to add the coin to our coin list, so we just need to come over to this button. We need to click on that. Then we need to type in any stuff. We need to click on the add custom token. Then we need to change the network from Ethereum to Smartchain. After that, we need to paste the contract address here. Immediately we paste the coin contract address, so the name, the symbol, and also the decimal come up. So we just need to click on the done button. I've successfully added the RichToken to my Trust Wallet. So and my withdrawal has been completed. So I'll just be showing us now to swap this token. So to swap, we just have to go over to the apps. So we need to come over to the apps. Then we need to click on the apps. So we need to click on Pancakeswap. And if the network showing here is still Ethereum, so we need to change it to Smartchain. You just need to select Smartchain. So I need to connect my wallet. So I need to click on this connect. I've successfully connected my wallet. So the next thing I have to do is I have to change this BNB from BNB to RichToken, and I also need to change this cake from cake to any other cryptocurrency. So I'll just be changing this BNB. So I'll paste the coin contract address. I need to click on this import, so I'll click on import token. I need to click on understand import. Then I need to change this token from cake to BNB. So I'll be converting my RichToken to the BNB. Just need to click on maximum. So I want to convert the total RichToken to BNB. So I'll be receiving this particular amount. So I need to enable the RichToken. I need to click on enable. So I'll be charged this particular amount as network fee. So I just need to click on approve. So I've successfully enabled the RichToken. So I've enabled the RichToken. So I just need to go over to click on this swap button. I need to confirm the swap. So I'll be charged this particular amount. So the transaction has been submitted. So the transaction has been completed. So I'll just be going back. So I'll be going back to my Trust Wallet to confirm. So I've successfully converted the RichToken to BNB. So I'm having a 0 worth of the RichToken right now. So my BNB has been added to my balance. So I'm having this particular amount right now. So I just convert $1.5 worth of the RichToken to BNB. So guys, to claim this airdrop, so what you just need to do is you have to download the app. So you just need to spend at least 1 hour of your time on the app. So you need to match the cards with the same number to each other. So after you've matched the cards, so you'll be receiving 50 worth of the RichToken, which you can instantly sell. So guys, thanks for watching this video.